Hey, we're back. So let's talk hashtags once again. So today we're going to talk a little bit about branded hashtags. Now, branded hashtags is using your company name, your practice name in your posts. So when you are putting stuff up, it's helping with your branding. So you want to put up Jones Orthodontics, Johnson Dental, and put that as a hashtag, but also put different variables around it. Johnson Orthodontics, Peekskill, New York. Michael's Dental, Miami, Florida. By using your name and surrounding it with different locations and services will make a big difference. So take your name, take your practice information, your business information, use it as a hashtag and surround it with keywords, locations, services, and it will make a difference. So here's my tip from me to you. Happy marketing, happy smiles.